Want to try something a little bit sweet, a little bit spicy, a little bit cool and refreshing all at the same time? Well, this yogurt sauce is absolutely what you've been looking for, my friends. Get ready. Hey, welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Jody Mac, and we're going to do a sweet and spicy feta yogurt sauce. Buckle up, my friends. Get ready. Let's go. All right, shall we begin? Go ahead and grab some Greek yogurt. Low-fat Greek yogurt is what I'm using. 1 cup or 300 grams. Boom, in it goes. Now for a little bit of tanginess, the lemon. Grab a lemon. 1 tablespoon. In it goes, my friends. In it goes. Now we're going to add 1 clove of garlic, minced, smashed into the board to release its flavors, and my friends, into the bowl it goes. Now for a little bit of freshness, a little bit of tarragon. 1 teaspoon of tarragon. If you put too much of this in, it might overpower it, so 1 teaspoon's enough. 1 green onion sprinkled on in. And 2 tablespoons of milk to make this a little bit more liquidy and nice and tasty, creamy, delicious. Now it's time to bring a little bit of heat to the show. Red pepper flakes, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Sprinkle them on in. If you like it hotter, throw in a little bit more. Now for a little bit of delicious texture, feta, 1/4 of a cup, 32 grams, in it goes. Now a little bit of sweetness, a little gift from our friends the bees. 1 teaspoon of honey. Pour it on in. Look at that deliciousness. Ah, the sweetness. It just rounds out the flavors. Fantastic. And this sweet and spicy feta yogurt sauce, it's just so easy to make. Just a little bit of this, a little bit of that, dash of salt, dash of pepper, and you're ready to go, my friends. Throw it on some pita bread, throw it on a little bit of chicken, throw it on some lamb. Have it as a meal all on its own. It's absolutely delicious, folks. Mix it on up. Yum. Then it's ready to go. Go ahead. Dive in, my friends, dive in. And if you like sauces and gravies, check out the description below. Hit that link to the Sauce and Gravy channel YouTube page. Hit that red subscribe button on the right-hand bottom of the screen for the latest and greatest videos. And remember, my friends, to live, love, and make gravy.